How to change email address on Facebook. If any day you are a Facebook user and you would like to change your email address on Facebook, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch your Facebook application like this. After that, when you launch your Facebook application, now you have to go to the next icon. If any day you're logged into your page, now you have to just also log back to your very Facebook account. And after you open your Facebook account, now you have to follow the next other steps. That is, you have to go to the top icon that is on your profile. And after tapping on your profile like icon, now it will take you to an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of settings. After tapping on settings, now you can see an interface like this. Now you can see the option of the account center. Here you have to tap on the option of personal details. After tapping on the option of personal details, now you can tap on the personal details like this. Then tap on the option of contact info. Now here you can go to the option of add new contact and add email address and tap on your new email address for here. And this is the way on how you can change your email address on your Facebook. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.